Every day we have to deal with a large number of portable devices. MP3 players, communicators, smartphones, Bluetooth headsets and other devices. As you know, any device, if it operates on battery, must be recharged. But hardly anyone would like to carry a bunch of charging devices with him. Therefore, universal power adapters are very popular. This adapter allows you to save place, since it can replace multiple chargers. This model is an adapter that is designed for those who has to carry a set of all possible devices during the day. You can charge multiple devices with it: MP3 players, communicators, smartphones, Bluetooth headsets and others, where USB charging is allowed. The model we describe has a small size and is rather handy. The adapter is very simple to use. Just plug it into the car cigarette lighter. Red LED lights up. It means that the adapter is on. Now you can connect the device you want to charge through the USB port. Input voltage is 1224 volts. Output voltage 5 volts. When the battery is full, simply remove the adapter from the cigarette lighter, switching off device. That's all, simple and easy.